In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link your Canva account with your ChatGPT so you can edit your ChatGPT design instantly in Canva. So the process is very simple. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Canva account and then log into your ChatGPT account as well. So in the ChatGPT account, go to the plugins, and here you will need to scroll down or simply search plugin, search for Canva, and here it is. Click on this plus icon, and now it will ask you to log into your Canva account. So scroll down and then click on allow, and then wait for a moment, and your authorization is successful. And now your Canva account is connected with your ChatGPT account. So now I will show you how you can create a design in ChatGPT and then make any changes in it using your Canva account. So I will click on new chat and ask ChatGPT to create a thumbnail for me. So let's wait for a moment until it completes its designing, and then I will show you how you can edit or make any changes in it in Canva. So it has created this design, and now if I want to make any changes in it in Canva, so I will have to click on the chat box and then click on at the rate, and then here it is written Canva. I will click on it and then write make it editable in Canva, and now it will uh, adjust this design as. Now it is asking me to allow it once again, so I will click on allow once, and now it will convert my design into the editable form of Canva. You can see transforming a file into an editable layout. Generating design can take up to 30 seconds, so we will wait till then. And now our design is uh, Canva editable, so I will click on customize this design, and it will take me to the Canva, and here it will open that design. So now I can make any kind of changes in this design. So let's just wait till it load completely. So you can see everything here is fully clickable, is fully editable. So if I want to make any changes to this text, or want to move this uh, icon, or want to move this just chat gpt icon, or want to replace this text or change the background, I can simply do it from here. So in this way you can connect your chat gpt account with your Canva, so you can make uh, changes in the chat gpt design directly into your Canva. So you can see none of these is paid. Chat gpt or Canva both are free. So you can see you start your free trial for 0 rupees, and ChatGPT is free as well. You can see here the free plan. So you do not need any paid versions of these uh, websites or applications to use this feature. So in this way, you can connect your ChatGPT with your Canva account. So if this video helps you to learn something new, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. And if you're watching on Facebook or TikTok or Instagram, make sure to follow the profile. Thank you very much.